so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, I really wanted to address some things that have been said or raised in the comment section of my videos recently. So it's usually when I share a clean with me or a how to clean your home quickly, or the one that I did recently, which was 7 cleaning habits that I do every day. I've had the comment a couple of times saying that's all well and good and that's totally fine if all you do is, you're a stay-at-home mum and all you do is clean all day. And I think that that's really offensive and condescending, and it's just pretty rude actually, because I've only ever been a work from home mum for since COVID started, so just over a year now. So maybe like a year and a half. Prior to that, I've always been a working single parent that works outside of the home, own my own business, worked for other normal regular jobs, but I've always worked outside of the home besides this last COVID period. So I've always managed to maintain a neat, clean, organized, under control home, even when I'm working outside the house, even when I'm being a single parent to my 2 kids. So I think for someone to say, oh, you can only do that if you are a stay-at-home mum and all you do is stay home and clean your house all day, those comments are totally baseless. They are so offensive to people who are stay-at-home mums. And I think that it's just typical of people who are wanting to find an excuse for everything, because it is completely reasonable and you can totally achieve a clean, organized house in, as little as 15 minutes a day. It does not take you all day. And I know that the internet trends at the moment for house cleaning is to kind of one-up each other in how long it takes you to clean your house. So started at the power hour, the hour of power. I am totally pro that. Get your house cleaned in maximum an hour. Then it was all day, whole house clean with me. Then it was everyone was doing the 1 day clean with me. So then it was oh, we'll do the 2 day clean with me. And then as soon as those kind of became popular, it was well, now it's the 3 day clean with me. I could not think of anything worse to spend all day, 2 days, and certainly not 3 days a week out of my life cleaning my house. I want it done, dusted, over and done with in the quickest time possible. So I thought, you know what, the easiest way to do it is to prove to people that it really doesn't take all day to clean your house, and that to get the things done that need to be done every day, they only take, maximum of a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes maximum to do each individual thing. And I thought the easiest way to do it is to time myself doing it and make a video about how long it actually takes to clean your house. Because like I said, the comments that I get about, oh yeah, it's easy and fine if you've got all day to do it, doesn't need to take all day. I've only honestly cleaned this house all in one go, top to bottom, 1 time since I've lived here, and I've lived here since November last year. So what's that, 9 months? I've only cleaned the house in one go once. And that was to make a YouTube video back when we first moved in here. And besides that, I just maintain it every day in around, I'm gonna say around 15 minutes average a day, probably 6 days a week. Sunday, I really hardly do anything besides the basics, doing the dishes and maybe chucking on a load of laundry or something like that. But I do it in the least amount of time possible because I don't really want to spend my life cleaning. I don't enjoy the thought at all of spending all day cleaning. I couldn't think of anything worse than spending 3 days of a week cleaning your house. Anyway, let's get in and see how long it actually takes to clean your house. So I'm going to be sharing with you the everyday regular activities that you need to do to maintain a clean house and prove to you that it doesn't take all day. And I'm going to tell you, you can clean everything in your house and do every cleaning related chore in 2 minutes or less. The only disclaimer is if you don't have a dishwasher, that would be the only thing that I can think of that individually would take longer than 2 minutes to wash up all your dishes by hand. But anything else, I'm telling you, if you break it up into individual things, you can clean anything in your house in under 2 minutes. So let's take a look at how I did it.
I don't really need new friends, so spend spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, or gorgeous.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace, daydreamer.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there.
That was the clear up bit.
Having this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight.
So guys, do you get the point that I'm trying to make, that I'm trying to get across, is that honestly, cleaning your house takes pretty much as long as you let it take. If you want to get in and get it done quickly, you will get it done quickly. If you are finding that cleaning your house is taking all day, maybe you're not in the right frame of mind, maybe you need some motivation like some music or putting on a YouTube cleaning video to get you motivated, or maybe you've got way too much stuff that it's taking you so long to clean. I know a lot of people always say, yeah, but my kids have got so much stuff, there's always toys out and about. You're the parent, you're the adult, you're in charge of how many toys you give your kids access to at any one time. I would highly recommend pack up your kids' toys if it is causing you grief and it is causing your house to be in a mess, and put them in rotation. However old your kids are, use that as a guide for how many different things or categories of toys they can have access to at one time. If you've got a 2-year-old child, have 2 little things that they can have access to at any time and just keep them boxed up and bring them out in rotation. If you think about a daycare center or a school, they don't have all of their toys and activities available out and open to all the kids at all the time. They take out a selection of things that they can manage with the kids to be able to have access to, and I'm 1000% sure that they involve the kids in the packing up process too.
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio.
Now, I'm sure there'll probably be people who comment below and say, yeah, but you've only got a 2-bedroom home. It's not about the total amount of time that it takes to clean your whole home. It's about how long you spend cleaning each thing. So if you've got a 4-bedroom home, maybe it's going to take you, 10 or 20 minutes extra to clean your home. It's about how long it takes you to do each individual thing. You made the decision to have a 4-bedroom home and live in it. You have to have that responsibility for cleaning it. And if it takes you longer than 10 minutes or so to clean a bedroom, I would say you need to get in some better tidy habits and clean it more often, because anything over 10 minutes, I think, including to make a bed, to give your furniture in your bedroom a dust down, to use glass cleaner to clean any glass mirrors, and to vacuum the floor, definitely shouldn't take any more than 10 minutes. And if it does take you more than 10 minutes, it's probably that it's an untidy bedroom rather than being an unclean bedroom. And so if you have got 1,000 pieces of clothes just scattered all over the floor in your floor drobe, and you've got loads and loads of things out, that is a untidy problem. That's not a cleaning problem. So definitely develop some more daily tidying habits maybe, and then that will make the cleaning side of things much quicker and easier.
You've got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell.
All the lovers, we were diamond Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in
That was 1 minute and 28 seconds, including me moving the bloody camera around. So anyone says that they don't have time to clean their bathroom is just full.
It took the longest to get this thing onto the handle, longer than it takes to clean the bathroom. And normally I clean the shower when I'm in the shower, so I don't ever have to actually dedicated clean it.
emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up.
So if you are struggling with keeping your house clean, organized, neat, under control, and getting it done in an acceptable time frame, I would definitely look at what is the blocker that is keeping you from getting it done quickly. Is it no motivation? You can fix that. Is it doing cleaning at the wrong time of the day? If you're doing cleaning in the evenings when there's a lot going on, maybe try switching it out and doing your cleaning routine at a different time. Even getting up 15 minutes earlier than you usually do and just smashing out a 15-minute quick house cleanup, it's totally better than just leaving everything pile up and your house getting into a mess. I definitely guarantee you.
How easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones.
is why I don't like cleaning the shower when I'm not in there, because it just gets water everywhere.
With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes. With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion.
But as you can see, each part individually, nothing took more than 2 minutes. Done, clean, good enough for me.
With pins and patches.
So guys, that is about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have anything to discuss about how long it takes you to clean your home in the comment section below. If you're not already, come over and follow on Instagram. I'm doing a 21-day challenge this month where I'm sharing a reel a day of some cleaning and organizing challenge activities each day for 21 days. If you're not already, consider subscribing before you go. Hang out and watch another few videos if you need some extra cleaning motivation. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.